or set. This is the expression. Harshita solve করেছে একটু? Not yet. How to solve this? This is 1. 1 can be written as x to the power 0. Am I right? Because according to law of exponent, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So in place of 1, I can write x to the power 0. 0 means a minus a. This is already b minus a, and this is c minus a. I hope now you have understood why I have written a minus a, to match with the other two terms. Now go for next. Can you suggest me what I am supposed to write in place of 1 minus b? X to the power b minus b. X to the power a minus b. X to the power c minus b. Now this will be x to the power c minus c. A minus c. B minus c. 1. Now x to the power a minus a. Let us recall the laws of exponent once again. If I write a to the power m minus n, this can be written as a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Do you remember this? Okay, fine. If you don't remember, then just recall the laws of exponent. This will be x to the power a divided by x to the power a, x to the power b divided by x to the power b, x to the power c divided by x to the power, sorry, this will be a. Similarly, here also, this will be x to the power b, x to the power b, x to the power a, x to the power b, and x to the power c, x to the power b. Second term is done. Now for the last one, x to the power c, x to the power a, x to the power c, x to the power b, x to the power c. Right? Have you understood up to this line? I have used two formula. One is this one, second one is this one.
खाली नहीं है सर.
इधर बैठ सकते हो ना, क्यों तीन लोग तो बैठ ही सकते हैं. बैठ के कर दिया, बेंच को चेंज कर दूंगा नेक्स्ट क्लास में. बेंच को चेंज कर देंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में, ठीक है. So LCM of x to the power a, x to the power a, x to the power a. This will be x to the power a, and this will be x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. This one. Then again LCM will be x to the power b, x to the power b plus x to the power a plus x to the power c, and here this will be x to the power c, c plus x to the power a plus x to the power b. Already you know, if you have a fraction in place of denominator, this denominator will go up with numerator. Do you know this? Good. So now this will be x to the power a divided by x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. Again this will be x to the power b. Rearrange this with similar pattern. then this will be x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c. So all are equal. X to the power a plus x to the power b x to the power c, x to the power a plus x to the power b x to the power c, and answer is 1 because they are similar expression. लिखा 35 40 আগতে মই 42 টো কৰি লও ন this is completed. Can I erase the first two line? Okay, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Great. साइन समझ में आया है?
अच्छा।
इसमें दो फॉर्मूला यूज किया मैंने, एक था a to the power m minus n जिसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, and second one is which one? a to the power 0 means 1. Okay, now question number 42. 42 says x to the power a divided by x to the power b, it has a power of a minus b.
So x to the power minus b.
Yes, x to the power minus b. That was my mistake. Then x to the power b divided by x to the power minus c has a power of b minus c, and finally x to the power c divided by x to the power minus a, and this is a power of c minus a, right? Again we are going to use this formula, right? This divided by this means this minus this, power will be subtracted, minus into minus, this will be plus, it has already a power of a minus b, then this will be x to the power b plus c has a power of b minus c. Now finally this one x c plus a power is c minus a. All of you know power upon power gets multiplied. Remember the formula of exponent a to the power n whole to the power n, that gives a to the power n into n. So it will be
Sir, it a cube minus b cube है कि a square minus b square नंबर है.
exactly মই গটে মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰাটো কৰি ললো মানে স্কয়ার.
So can exponents be written as squares?
Obviously exponent can be square. I'm solving it step by step. This will be multiplied. I can write it directly, but most of you will not understand. That is why I'm writing the steps. So at this stage I have multiplied the powers by the law of exponent. A to the power m whole to the power n, powers will get multiplied. Now this formula of algebra, a plus b whole into a minus b whole gives what? A square minus b square. So this will be a square minus b square. This is the power. This will be b square minus c square, and this is c square minus a square. So these are similar bases multiplied with each other having different powers. That means all of the power will be added. So add all the powers. This plus this plus this. They will get cancelled. X to the power 0, and our answer is 1. Again the answer is 1. Please you can write. Completed. এইখিনিলৈকে ক্লাছটো ৰেকৰ্ড হৈ গৈছে. লাষ্ট কি দুটা কোৱেশ্চন যে পঢ়া হ'ল চাই ল'ব পাৰিবা একদম. Can I erase the board now? So we are studying polynomials. We have learned about zeros of polynomial, degree of polynomial, types of polynomial based on number of terms. How to identify zeros of polynomial. Now question number 4 from exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 question number 4. This question says find zero of the polynomial. If a polynomial is given to you, how to find its zeros? Okay, suppose the polynomial is this one, question number 4. Px is 3x minus 2, right? Now to find its zeros, you have to equate the polynomial with 0, right? I hope you know the concept of 0 of a polynomial. Well, let's case we no? 0 of a polynomial is, suppose one polynomial is given px equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. This x is a variable, right? This x is a variable. You can put any numbers in place of x, because variable means it can take any value, right? For some particular value of x, this entire expression will be equal to 0, and those value of x will be known as 0 of the polynomial.
Sir, 2 by 3.
Oh, sorry?
2 by 3 answer.
Answer 2 by 3. So the polynomial was denoted as 3x minus 2. Now if I keep it here, this will be 2 and x equal to 2 by 3. Can anyone tell me this was a what type of polynomial? Linear polynomial, because the power of the variable is 1. If the power of the variable is 2, then it will be known as quadratic polynomial. If it is 3, it will be cubic polynomial. As I told you, for linear polynomial, degree is 1 and number of zeros for that polynomial will be also 1. So this is the only value of x which is responsible for turning this polynomial as 0. So it will be known as zeros or root of the polynomial, right? Please find zeros of the polynomial px. This will be question number 7. Px equal to cx plus d. What will be the zero of this polynomial? One thing is mentioned here, c is not equal to 0 and c comma d are real numbers. I will explain why this data is given here. First, find the value of the zero of this polynomial. Zero kiman hobo to polynomial? Same style, एकदम same, copy paste. अच्छा हेरी हर्षिता एक्स स्कूल लॉन्ग डिवीजन पढ़ाइছে নেকি? लॉन्ग डिवीजन पढ़ाবো आज पढ़ा डिवीजन इम्पोर्टेंट है। এইখিনি ঠিক আছে নে? সবাই বুঝি পাইছা? इसकी जमीन जायदाद की ব্যাপারে so to find its zeros, this px will be equal to 0. Value of px is cx plus d. Cx equal to minus d. X value is minus d by c. Now can anyone tell me, with this question this line is written, what is the meaning of c is not equal to 0? C comma d are real number. Why these data are given? Can anyone explain? Generally, whenever we write any alphabet, what?
So requirements.
requirements pa ki dhuniya answer dise dor kam se kane dise tate ki bori answer lage smart answer generally any alphabet is written with numbers we denotes those alphabet as variable. Since x is a variable, c is also a variable. We may get confused which one is actual variable. That is why the question mentioned that c and d are none other than some real numbers. Second thing, c cannot be equal to 0. Just imagine if c value becomes 0, then this x will be gone, right? Without x, it will be a what type of polynomial? Suppose this is 2x plus 3. This value of c value is 3, d value is d. If c value becomes 0, this will be gone, then only 3 left. So this is a what type of polynomial? Constant polynomial. If only number is given, this will be known as constant polynomial. That is why c cannot be equal to 0. Right? কোনো পঢ়াই নাই ডেটা বিলাক এইবিলাক এনে লিখা আছে ইলেকশন ক্যাম্পেইনৰ কাৰণে suppose 200 is a number and I am dividing 200 with 30 36 are 180 remainder is 20 this is known as dividend. This is division. This is quotient, and this is remainder. Can you write a relation between these four? Among these four?
Yes.
Write it. লিখা যিমানে ধেমালি কৰিবা ইমানে বাজিব কিন্তু পিছত division into quotient plus remainder. Please remember this relation. Later we will solve some question based on this relation. Shall I show you how this happens? This is dividend 200. Division is how much? 30. Question is 6. Ito 6. Remainder is 20. 36 are 180 plus 20. So this is again 200. They are matching. So this relation is satisfied. You may note it down. Now I will show you how to do long division. Before that, we have to write one theorem that is known as remainder theorem. কিন্তু ইজি হয় এতিয়াতো এক্সপ্লেনেশন নালাগে হয় সিধা ইজি হয় বুঝি পাইছা সব নেক্সট টপিক ইজ remainder theorem. Let px be any polynomial. लिखा remainder theorem. Please note it down. Any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to or equal to 1n let a be any real number px is divided by the linear polynomial px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder is PA. Please note it down. I will explain. Green color to the sir. लिखा है कि नहीं see what is written here. Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. That means it cannot be a constant polynomial. Degree of a constant polynomial is how much? 0. korot kuno no pore korabati lekha nahi. Degree of 0 polynomial is how much?
0
Not
polynomial
defined.
0
Not defined. लिखा है कुनो पढ़ा नहीं दिया लाभ नहीं कोई बोले. I don't know is the best answer. So you have to assume any polynomial whose degree is greater than equal to 1. That means it can be linear polynomial, it can be quadratic polynomial, it can be cubic polynomial, and so on. Right? So I have taken one polynomial that is x square plus 2x minus 3, and it is a what type of polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Gx is none other than divisor, and divisor should be in the format of x minus a. This px can be any polynomial, right? Linear, quadratic, cubic, or anything, right? And divisor should be in the form of x minus a. That means please focus on the board. This is your polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3. If you divide this by this, just like 20 divided by 6, 6 3s are 18, remainder is 2. Similarly, you can perform long division and finally you can obtain the remainder. But with the help of this theorem, without performing actual division, we can find the value of remainder. That is the concept of remainder theorem. Understood? Now let me show you how to find the remainder directly. This theorem says if x minus a is divisor, px is the polynomial, then remainder is p of a. That means, can anyone tell me what is the value of a here?
-3
No, that is 3 only. X minus a form, x and a value is 3. If gx is given like this, gx equal to x plus 2, this can be written as x minus 2. In this case, you can say, sir, a value is minus 2. We need remainder for first case. Remainder is denoted by r, right? Remainder will be p of a, that is 3. Put value of 3 here, that will be 3 square, 2 into 3 minus 3, 9, 2 3s are 6 minus 3, 9 plus 6 15, 15 minus 3, that is 12. That means if I divide this expression, this polynomial, by x minus 3, our remainder will be 12. Then what about this? Fine. If I divide this polynomial by this, what will be the remainder? Please find it. Similar way. কি কোনো বুঝি পোৱা নাই এইটো কনসেপ্ট বুজি পাইছা সবে
Yes, sir.
নাই কোৱা
Minus 5.
মই একদম এবাৰ অসমীয়াত কৈ দিছো চাবা এটা পলিনোমিয়েল px আছে পলিনোমিয়েলটো লিনিয়াৰ হ'ব পাৰে কোৱাড্ৰেটিক হ'ব পাৰে কিউবিক হ'ব পাৰে মানে পাৱাৰটো 1 তকৈ বেছি 1 বা তাতকৈ বেছি হ'ব পাৰে সেইটোক তুমি বেলেগ এটা পলিনোমিয়েল দি ডিভাইড কৰি দিলা যোনটো পলিনোমিয়েল দি ডিভাইড কৰিবা that polynomial should be linear please keep it in mind the division polynomial must be a linear polynomial yes it can be quadratic but then process will be different okay so etu jodi divide koru lamba long division koratke direct remainder ko eta rasta ase rasta to ki compare this divisor polynomial with our standard x minus a x minus 3 x minus a that means a equal to how much 3 etu buji paise na and this theorem says remainder is none other than p of a usually it was p of x so x square plus 2x minus 3 if I replace the value of x with a it will be pa a is how much 3 put 3 here 3 square 2 into 3 minus 3 after calculation it is 12 এটা বুজি পোৱা নাই
G into x minus 2 por pai.
x minus 2 to কোনৰ পৰা আহা নাই মই ধৰি লৈছো এটো এটো ধৰি লৈছো এটো ধৰি লৈছো লেট বুলি লিখাই আছে explanation example this is another example suppose your divisor is not in minus form please focus this is x plus 2 but our theorem suggests that it should be in x minus a form but we have x plus 2 that what we are supposed to do we can write it in negative form like this x plus 2 can be written as x minus minus 2 now it is matching with our ready-made x minus a so we can say a value is how much minus 2 to find remainder it will be p of minus 2 if I put minus 2 here this will be minus 2 square 2 into minus 2 that is minus 3 4 minus 4 minus 3 so remainder is 3 তোমাক মই কৈছিল minus 3 বুলি correct তাসিন বুজি পোৱা নাই দিয়ক পাইছা তাৰ নাম বহুত चलो এটা কোৱেশ্চন কৰিম আমি সবে কৰিব হা একসাথে করেंगे কোৱেশ্চন তো মুছি দিও নেকি মই বৰ্ডখন
Yes, sir.
yes sir ৰাইজৰ কাৰণ হেনে বাচিব আৰু কোৱেশ্চন আহিলে okay the polynomial is exercise 2.3 this one the polynomial is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and divisor is denoted by gx that is how much x minus 1 by 2 please find remainder value do it now what will be the remainder if the divisor is this one same way you can do it please again if your this was question number 2 from 1 for question number 5 divisor is given as 5 plus 2x for both cases find the value of remainder this is your task do it ইয়াতে এটো পলিনোমিয়াল রিমাইন্ডার মানে আমাৰ কি আছিল pa x minus a লগত কম্পেয়ার কৰা তুলনা কৰা x ৰ জায়গাত x বহিছে মাইনাস ৰ জায়গাত মাইনাস a ৰ জায়গাত কি বহি গেছে 1/2 এতকে কি সিম্পল কথা লাগে আৰু জীৱনত x ৰ জায়গাত x a ৰ জায়গাত 1/2 আমি এটা কিমান পাতি দিম p of 1/2 p of 1/2 পাতিলে x বিলাকৰ জায়গাত কিমান বহাই দিম 1/2 that will be 1/2 cube 3 into 1/2 square 3 into 1/2 plus 1 1/2 whole cube means how much 1/8 this will be
3 into 1/4
okay 3/4 This will be 3 by 2 and 1. LCM is how much? 8.
Answer 27 by 8.
4 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 4 3s are 12, and this is 8. 27 by 8. Find the
3.5.
sorry
3.5 I think not 5.
3.5 remainder.
7 by 2.
7 by 2. So नहीं इसके लिए अलग होगा. ये जो gx है ना, this one is none other than gx. px is our fixed. This is the only value of px. This is px, this is gx, this is the remainder. For the same px, this is the gx. Now find the remainder. If we change the divisor to 5 plus 2x, let me show you one thing. This is
5 minus 2x.
5 minus 2x is wrong. Our format was what? X minus a. Is it in this format?
5 minus bracket minus 2x.
কি করি মেথড?
2x minus
5 minus 2x by
2x minus 5.
5 minus 5 minus
2x plus 5, right? Take 2s common. This will be x plus 5 by 2. This is x minus 5 by 2. So a value is minus 5 by 2. Correct here. मैं दादी से पूर्ण पर पूर्ण रहे स्टिल तो क्या में लग जाए किसी का इसी उम्मीद में बैठा था मैं. In this case, this was 2x, not x. I have to remove this 2. Direct remove to मुसी वाले कोड़ी दिबो ना So take 2s common. This will be x. Actually 2 was not here. Still I have taken 2s common.
minus 27 by 8.
Yes, correct. To balance this, I have written 5 by 2. Eta baba tumi. Using distributive property, if I multiply this with this and this with this will be 2x. And 2 into 5 by 2. Kata kati jebele kiman hojibo to again 2x plus 5. Understood? Now this was again in plus format. We need negative format. That is why minus minus. If you find this difficult, then let me show you one alternative process. Suppose your divisor is not in this format. Suppose the divisor is not in this format. Suppose divisor is 3 plus 2x. Then you do one thing. Equate with 0 and find value of x from it. This is the alternate way to find value of x, which you are supposed to put here. Value of x is none other than value of a. এনেকেও উলাব পাৰা এক্সামত যদি ভাবি থাকা কি কমন লব লাগে মাথায় কাম কৰা নাই মোৰ এটো কৰিব পাৰা. Similarly in this case 2x plus 5 equal to 0. This will be minus 5. From here we can find this will be minus 5. এটো কৰিব পাৰা. এটো কৰা ন ঠিক আছে. এটো একদম লিখিও নহয় বাৰু তো এটো কৰিব আছে নাই. Minus 27 by 8 is the correct answer. এটো কি ক্যালকুলেশন কৰি দেখাব লাগে নেকি?
না কৰিছো ভাই
নকৰো দিয়া না লাগে কৰিব নিজে কৰিবা আকৌ. ওকে এটো কৰা. Question number 2. Find the remainder. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a divided
the minus 27 by
yes divided by x minus a. This is our px dividend dividing by this is our gx. Please find remainder. What will be remainder? Remainder value to calculate kora. তুমি মানে কি ব্যালেন্স আপনাকে দেখাইছে remainder. So a value is a itself. So for remainder this will be p of a. ইয়াতে a মানে a দিয়া আছে. So put a cube minus a into a square c and replacing value of a in place of x. X bilakor jagat a bohai dia. This is 6a minus a cube minus a cube, 6a minus a will be 5a, they will be cancelled and remainder is 5a. That is correct answer. Okay, and finally we have one last question, that is 3 from exercise 2.3.
5 is
Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. This is 120. Please tell me whether 8 is a factor of 120. No. Couldn't know what's that. And তুমি কৈছা ন তুমি মাজতে রাইজে জি কই মই তুমি কই আছো
15 का
जनता के साथ है हम
815 का 120
120. How to determine that one number is factor of another number? By remembering multiplication table. Okay. If I write it like this, whether 800 is a factor of 12,000.
divide this.
Division. That means if I divide any number by another number and find that 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40. After performing division, what is the remainder? 0. After performing division, if we find that remainder is 0, then we can say this divisor is a factor of the dividend. Likha note likha. When we divide one polynomial by another polynomial, when we divide one polynomial by another polynomial, when we divide one polynomial by another polynomial and find the remainder as 0 and find the remainder as 0, then we can say that divisor polynomial is a factor of dividend polynomial. With this concept, I think you can solve this question number 3. In this question number 3, which one is divisor polynomial?
3x cube plus 7x.
Which one is divisor polynomial? In 3x को लेके होगा बल आपको डिफ्लोमेटिक आंसर 3x cube plus 7x. This is a factor of this or not? We are not sure, we have to check it. And divisor is 3x plus 7 by remainder theorem. What it will be? 3x plus 7 equal to 0, so x will be how much? Minus 7 by 3. Remainder is equal to p of minus 7 by 3. 7 by 3 to kot pati dim x bilakor jagat. Do it. 3 into 7 by 3 whole cube, 7 into minus 7 by 3. This will be minus 343 and 27, and this will be minus 49 by 3. 3
So
9
minus
ja
490 by 9, I guess.
maybe you are right. This is 9.
Minus 32.
This is 3. LCM is 9. 343. This will be 147. And কিমান হ'ব এইটো ময়ো
490.
490 minus 490 by 9. This is not equal to 0. That means this is not a factor of this. Therefore 3x plus 7 is not a factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. Long division को next का करा तो नाम homework भी होगा. So ये लगे से उल्टा के क्या क्या है? दिशा का क्वेश्चन. होमवर्क लिखा
minus 3 by 2 नीति.
3/2. Hard homework पे आगे लिखी दिशा में
p to the power 11 minus 1.
p to the power 11 minus 1. Yes. দিম না এটা
দশ
দিয়ক
হাজাৰ।
দিয়ক আৰু 10 টকা দি দিয়ক
নিদুতে
টাইম হৈছে না।
ঠিক আছে দিয়ক হৈ যাব